We are your one-stop shop. We offer the benefits of working directly with the mill and the fabrication that allows our customers to simplify supply chain. From tube manufacturing to fabrication to stocking programs for a level of control and consistency that gives our customers confidence. Hi, my name is Jessica Nelson, and I work for PJ Tube. We provide the largest range of ferrous and non-ferrous tubular products in the metals industry. Because we have 50 years of experience, we know how to help our customers with difficult requests. What sets us apart from a typical tubing distributor is we are fully integrated with Webco Industries, a tube mill of unmatched quality. By being a mill and a fabricator, we're simplifying the entire process of sourcing a fabricated tube. We actually aren't a typical distributor. All of our material is custom manufactured to our customers' specific requirements. On the small end, we handle diameters as small as 33 gauge, a wide variety of hypodermic needle applications. On the larger gauge, we go all the way up to 12-inch diameter. The majority of our products are cut to length or fabricated per a customer's specific print. We offer carbon steel, stainless steel, titanium, stainless, and copper tubing, aluminum tubing as well, straight links or coils. Here's an example of a seamless stainless coil. We stock this material and have the longest lengths in the industry, in 1/4 inch up to 1.5 inch diameter. Our fiber optic lasers are set up specifically to run tubing. We can run rounds and squares, and in one step we cut the tube and put as many features as the customer requires. This one is interesting because our customer actually had us cut these features and then they can just bend it together and weld it and avoid using multiple raw materials to make this one part. We are experts in precision cutting. PJ Tube is a major supplier of bushings to the most recognized automotive companies in the country today and recreational vehicles. We cut millions of bushings a year, and we offer OD and ID radius chamfers. We simplify the cutting process by cutting and chamfering the tube in just one step, one machine, and it allows us to hold the tightest tolerances of any other cutting facility. Webco Industries, our parent company, has the largest engineering team of any other tube mill in the country. And that's something that our customers can utilize when they have questions about new tubing products. Tubing manufacturing standpoint, our weld technology is the best in the world. We've sent our engineers around the world to choose what works. From a fabrication standpoint, there's no one that can hold the precision. We recognize that it's people that make the difference. We know it's important that we cultivate an environment of 100% employee engagement because it's our people that touch our product every day who have the largest impact on our customers.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.